Hello, Billy here. I'm a data scientist who has his PhD in computational sciences and informatics with a specialization in data science. And I wanted to start this YouTube channel to record some of my thoughts and observations about how my work has been changing in the advent of generative AI. A lot of the ways that I've been doing things have really changed in even the past 2 years. But even from 12 months ago, it's very different from 2 years ago. And the way that I analyze data and the way that I build tools and solutions for folks is very different. And so I've built lots of different solutions for folks, whether it be analyzing data sets and writing up reports, to creating apps to solve problems, very specific problems. And so the solutions that I'll be going over are going to be varied. So for example, I've written papers related to image analysis for satellite imagery, blood cells, mammograms, etc. I've written papers about those. But now that there's this advent of generative AI, I've been doing a lot more work regarding the evaluation of generative AI in different settings. And then in terms of non-academic things, but things that are side projects, things that I've been exploring with generative AI, I've built a lot of iPhone apps to try and solve very specific problems. So for example, I'm building a health app that kind of collects your health data, whether it be nutritional data, your activity data like running, going to the gym, etc., your other sleep metrics and other data points that are collected from your Apple Watch, for example. Another tool that I've built is just an extension that you can use in VS Code called FileMark. So there's lots of different things that I'm building to help make certain parts of my life easier, but hopefully will help other people as well. So this channel is really meant to explore some of those ideas, some things that I'm noticing, and some ideas that I think are potentially worth sharing and talking about. So I hope you enjoy this journey with me, and looking forward to hearing your thoughts in the comments below.